Creating a comfortable home environment is about more than just temperature. It's about airflow, natural light, noise control, and how your space feels day to day. For homeowners in Pasadena, where warm weather and sunny days are common, Slider Windows offer a practical and stylish way to improve indoor comfort throughout the year. Slider windows, also known as sliding windows, operate horizontally along a track. Their simple design makes them easy to use, but their benefits go far beyond convenience. When chosen and installed properly, Slider windows can significantly enhance the comfort and livability of your home. One of the most noticeable advantages of Slider windows is improved ventilation. Because one or more panels slide open, they allow a wide opening for fresh air to flow into your home. In Pasadena, where enjoying natural breezes can reduce reliance on air conditioning, this feature is especially valuable. Better airflow helps regulate indoor temperatures and keeps your living spaces feeling fresh and comfortable. Slider windows are also ideal for creating cross-ventilation. When placed strategically across a room or home, they allow air to move freely from one side to the other. This natural circulation helps remove stale air and brings in cooler outdoor air, improving both comfort and indoor air quality. Natural light is another key factor in indoor comfort, and Slider windows deliver in this area as well. Their wide glass panels allow sunlight to enter your home, brightening rooms and creating a more open, inviting atmosphere. In Pasadena homes, this can make spaces feel larger and more welcoming while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Energy efficiency also plays a role in comfort. Modern Slider windows are designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass that help reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler during hot days and more stable in temperature overall. By minimizing energy loss, Slider windows help maintain a consistent indoor environment without overworking your HVAC system. Another benefit is ease of operation. Slider windows glide smoothly along their tracks, making them simple to open and close. This is particularly helpful in areas where reaching or lifting a window might be difficult, such as over kitchen counters or in tight spaces. The ease of use encourages regular ventilation, which contributes to ongoing comfort. Noise reduction is another factor that can improve how your home feels. High-quality Slider windows with proper sealing and insulated glass help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In busy Pasadena neighborhoods, this can make a noticeable difference, allowing you to relax without constant distractions. Durability and low maintenance also contribute to long-term comfort. Slider windows typically have fewer moving parts than other window styles, which means less wear and tear over time. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring your windows continue to perform well with minimal upkeep. Another advantage is their clean, modern appearance. Slider windows offer a sleek design that complements a wide range of home styles. Their large glass areas provide unobstructed views of the outdoors, helping create a stronger connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. This visual openness adds to the overall sense of comfort and relaxation in your home. Slider windows are also versatile in placement. They work well in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms, providing consistent benefits throughout your home. Whether you're looking to brighten a space, improve airflow, or enhance usability, Slider windows can be tailored to meet your needs. Security is another consideration that adds to peace of mind. Modern Slider windows are equipped with reliable locking systems and sturdy frames, helping protect your home while maintaining easy operation. Ultimately, improving indoor comfort is about creating a space that feels balanced, functional, and enjoyable every day. Slider windows offer a combination of ventilation, natural light, energy efficiency, and ease of use that makes them a smart choice for Pasadena homeowners. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, Slider windows provide a simple yet effective way to enhance comfort and quality of life. With the right design and professional installation, they can transform your home into a brighter, more comfortable space you'll enjoy year-round.